Supreme Court Justice John Roberts is not acting like a Chief Justice and is not providing adequate leadership for the court. The Obamacare mandate is a penalty, a fine, and not a tax, and therefore Judge Roberts should have voted against ruling Obamacare constitutional. In any event, the Obamacare bill originated in the Senate and violated the originations clause in the Constitution, which requires that revenue bills originate in the House. I agree with former President Trump that our judiciary has become a political forum for left-wing activist judges rather than a judiciary whose main objective is finding out the truth and ensuring equal justice under law. From Judge Feely here in Massachusetts, who is giving drug dealers a free pass, to the New York case where the judge ruled a mistrial due to a hung jury after only 13 hours of deliberation in that case where that young lady was raped and strangled by a black man. Since the days of the Roman Empire, and even as far back as the Greek civilization, responsible governments have given exalted status to the citizen. It is the citizen who, through their elected representatives, gives the government its legitimacy. Our government, of which the judicial branch is a part, looks down on its citizens. Our federal and state governments do not like American citizens and put them in a secondary underclass through population replacement with the intention of diluting their voting franchise by the importation of illegal aliens from Mexico, South America, the Middle East, Africa, and other third world hellholes. It should also be noted that Judge John Glover Roberts, further exhibiting a lack of leadership on the court, the Supreme Court, has not even conducted a review of the decision of the FISA judges in order to hold them responsible for failing to call the FBI and the DOJ on the carpet for withholding information on the Golden Shower Russia hoax dossier, a political document manufactured by Hillary Clinton and the DNC. Judge Roberts, when are you going to call the FISA judges on the carpet for not requiring truthfulness and integrity in their judicial proceedings and enforcing judicial standards with stiff sentences for those who would perpetrate a fraud on the court? Judge Roberts and the rest of our judiciary are not protecting the American people. They need to clean up their act. The nutty Ninth Circuit needs to be disbanded and its judges dispersed, preferably out the door where they can do no more harm to the country. The Congress and state legislatures should use their power of the purse to cut the judiciary's budget until such time as they start rendering decisions which protect the lives, liberty, and property of American citizens.